Why starting YouTube in 2024 might not be as easy as you think. Starting a YouTube channel seems exciting, but in 2024, the reality is that many aspiring creators may invest 1 or 2 years of effort only to feel discouraged or even fail. The truth is, YouTube isn't just about becoming a creator. It's about building influence and genuine connection. So if you're thinking about starting on this journey, don't skip this video. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes and the right strategies to help you succeed. Point 1. Misaligned expectations and lack of understanding. Most new creators step into YouTube with high expectations. You might have set a New Year's resolution to hit a certain number of subscribers or get your channel monetized by the end of the year. Yet only a month in, you see minimal growth and you're already thinking of giving up. Here's the issue. YouTube's system is complex and growth won't happen without a solid strategy. Blindly uploading content without understanding the platform's requirements leads to burnout and disappointment. YouTube thrives on engagement and watch time. Like any social media platform, its main income comes from ad revenue, and it achieves this by keeping viewers on the platform as long as possible. However, around 90% of creators overlook this basic principle. They are not optimizing for YouTube's algorithm, which is why their videos don't get suggested to viewers. For example, let's say you upload a video. YouTube will initially test your content by showing it to a small group. If your video captures their attention, keeps them watching and leads them to engage, YouTube will promote it to a larger audience. Point 2. The importance of watch time and engagement. If your content isn't getting engagement or generating substantial watch time, YouTube won't recommend it to a broader audience. Too many creators misunderstand this and continue uploading video after video without seeing growth. In 2024, simply posting regularly isn't enough. You need content that resonates and captivates, which means understanding your target audience and creating videos that hold their attention from start to finish. As YouTube's algorithm has evolved, the platform has shifted from rewarding quantity to prioritizing quality and viewer retention. In 2014, for example, channels could go viral simply by posting frequently because there was less competition. By 2018, as the number of creators exploded, YouTube adjusted to favor longer, more substantial videos. At that time, creating content that was 30 minutes or even an hour long significantly increased the chances of going viral. Fast forward to 2020, the trend shifted again. Audiences wanted shorter, snappier videos, and YouTube Shorts became hugely popular. Now, keeping viewers engaged is more crucial than ever. Point 3. Quality over quantity. If you're still under the illusion that posting videos daily will eventually lead to a viral hit, you might soon end up frustrated, wasting effort and time. Here's why. Quality matters more than quantity. Imagine you have 2 channels. One channel only uploads 4 high-quality videos per year, while the other posts 365 low-quality ones. Chances are the channel with fewer quality videos will attract a larger, more loyal audience and gain millions of subscribers, while the other may struggle to reach even 10,000. Why does this happen? Quality content is more likely to be shared, generate watch time, and attract subscribers. Channels like Zengoi and other successful creators grew quickly because they recognized this. Focusing on fewer but higher quality videos can build a solid, engaged audience faster. If it takes you a month to produce quality content, that's completely fine. Don't settle for below average posts just to stay on a schedule. Remember, if your content doesn't satisfy viewers, they'll look elsewhere. YouTube's algorithm is now highly tuned to recognize quality and prioritize it in suggestions. Point 4. Mastering the basics. Scripting, voiceover, and editing. Growing on YouTube requires mastering several key areas, including scripting, voiceover, and editing. Although many other factors contribute to creating high-quality content, these 3 are essential. Scripting. Your script should capture viewers' attention from the first sentence. A well-structured, engaging script increases the chances of keeping viewers on your video. Voiceover. A strong, relatable voiceover adds a personal touch. Invest in quality audio and practice delivering your lines in an engaging manner. Editing. This is where you can stand out. Well-edited videos keep audiences interested, help convey information clearly, and give your content a polished, professional feel. Try to use visuals, text, and effects to support your message without overdoing it. If you want to learn these skills in detail, I've created a How to Grow on YouTube playlist that covers each of these topics. Point 5. Monetization and understanding YouTube's criteria. Monetizing your channel has become more complicated, and the criteria change frequently. For instance, in 2024, you need 1,000 subscribers and either 3,000 watch hours or 3 million views on shorts within the last 90 days to be eligible. Meeting these requirements doesn't guarantee high earnings from ads either. Other income sources like super chats, memberships, and merchandise sales may be necessary. If your videos don't reach certain levels of engagement, you may only qualify for lower revenue streams. So diversifying your income sources is essential. Point 6. Handling copyrights and avoiding pitfalls. Copyright is a critical aspect to understand when creating content. Using someone else's content without proper permissions or misusing AI tools for voice or content replication can lead to legal issues. Knowledge of copyright rules and fair use guidelines is crucial to protect your channel. I've seen creators with millions of subscribers lose their channels overnight due to copyright violations. If this is something you want to learn about, I plan to make a dedicated video on copyright soon. Point 7. The role of engagement and building a community. Successful creators recognize that YouTube isn't just about uploading videos, it's about building a community. Your audience doesn't just want a celebrity, they want a mentor, a friend, someone they can connect with. Regularly engaging through direct messages, comments, Q&As, and live streams can establish this bond. When I started, I made it a point to respond to every message and engage with my viewers. Over time, this built a loyal network. Your early supporters are like school friends. They've been with you since the beginning, and it's crucial to acknowledge and appreciate them. This level of engagement not only strengthens your relationship with your audience, but also motivates them to support any new projects you take on. Point 8. Competing in a crowded space and finding your niche. There's competition in every niche on YouTube. Avoiding competition is nearly impossible, so the best approach is to embrace it. Keep up with trends, adapt to the platform's changes, and most importantly, develop a unique identity. Even if others have been in your niche for years, you can stand out by bringing something fresh to the table. In the past year, editing styles have become a significant differentiator. Creators who couldn't adapt to new editing trends found themselves overtaken by smaller channels. Competition continues to grow even among newer channels, so bringing a unique perspective is crucial, whether it's through your speaking style, scripting, or visuals. So if you're serious about starting YouTube in 2024, remember these principles. Don't get discouraged by competition or try to avoid it. Embrace it, adapt, and build your unique brand. With dedication and the right strategies, you can stand out and succeed. Thank you for watching. If you want more tips on YouTube growth, check out my playlist.